Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I am here planning for my weekly setup, and this is going to be for the week of September 24th through the 30th. And I'm so excited about this because I love when months start on a Monday. I really wish it would become a standardized thing that all months start on a Monday, and there were the same amount of months or days in a month. That would be really nice too. It would just make my life so much easier. So I am going to go ahead and start planning. I actually got in some Simply Gilded washi over the weekend, so I am going to bring in this forest one. It feels like it would be a good one to bring in because it matches my dark green pretty well. I think it almost matches pretty exactly, actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this one in, and as you guys can see, I'm going with a vertical layout for this week, and I'm gonna add some tasks and stuff up there. So let's get to it. This week, so I have Monday through Sunday on here. I have labeled them up here with the weekday and the date of that. Because this is the weekend, I just put end, because why not? And I have the 29th and 30th on different lines. And then each of these days, and I have my meetings up here and my YouTube schedule, and then each of these days I'm going to fill in with tasks. And then because it is my friend's birthday, it is her 50th birthday. She's actually my mentor at work. I use some Simply Gilded washi tape, and then like I've done before, I have this kit that I used in an Erin Condren weekly that is from Simply MS, and it is the camping version. So I just grabbed a half box there and one of the little cakes to mark her 50th birthday, and this is her work party. Her birthday party, like outside of work, is on the weekend, but I won't be able to go because we are camping. So I decided to mark it in there because that is going to take up a big chunk of my night after work is over. So I have this all set up. I'm planning this a bit ahead of time, so I don't really have tasks that I need to migrate over or anything like that, since I am planning this on Tuesday and getting a head start to things. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. I really like this tall vertical layout. I like a lot of layouts, if you can't tell. I like to make things a little bit more versatile whenever I'm doing things, because otherwise I get bored, which is why I really like the bullet journaling system. And then I just remembered I should probably go ahead and show you me setting up my my monthly review. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through that really quick and then come back. Okay, so that is it. Officially this time, I have my weekly set up, and then I have my September in review. And basically what I've done here is I have done the same setup as last time, where I have all my social media platforms over here, the start of the month, the end of the month, and then the difference between the start and the end to know how many followers I gained or lost or what have you. I left a little bit of journaling space here at the end to kind of recap my month. Last month was pretty big, so I used this entire second page over here. I don't really think this month is going to be as big, so I've kind of left this amount of space, and I think that'll be pretty fine. And then I decided to kind of close out my month with the opposite of the tree, so that way like it looks like everything is encapsulated between the tree. I thought that would be kind of fun, although I realize now that I started this a little bit too high. So I mean, you still get the point of it. And then I think I might do some doodles over here. I'm not really sure though, because I already have my fall doodles, my fall bucket list, that is a lot of the like highlights of my month. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do in that space. Maybe I'll do like some of my favorite things or the currently I am list or something like that. I'll decide more towards the end of the month what I'm gonna do there. But I thought it would be pretty cute to do either side of that tree. It feels like it's completing the month. So that's what I've done there. I hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, notification bell if you like this video, so that you know when I post, and you can keep me motivated to doing these videos, especially now that I'm doing 3 videos a week. So thank you so much, and have a great, great week. Bye everyone.